Hello, a very important time of the year has started. Okay, December month has started, and with this 12 into 12 portal has opened up. Okay, so how you can use this time of the year uh, to manifest whatever you want in your life. So what is actually 12 by 12 portal? So it starts from 12th December and it finishes on 21st December. So it's a special time when big changes happen inside you. Okay, so and it helps you to let go the things in your life which you don't want, and it helps to you to manifest those desires, those goals faster which you want into your life. So you can let go all the old habits, all the old things which you don't want in your life. So you can create a vacuum in your life in order to attract new things which align with your goals and desires. So how do you do that? So you first of all, you will be intending what you want in your life. For example, if it's relationships, you will intend for deeper connections. You will release the past hurt grievances with anyone, and you will start expressing gratitude for all the love in your life. Okay, and you can also do visualization. Okay, to attract whatever kind of relationship you want in your life. So if you want to attract that kind of money in your life, so you will be aligning your thoughts with abundance. You will intend what kind of money you want, what amount of money and financial abundance you want in your life. So you can practice gratitude for money, for the money you have received in your life, for the money you have spent in your life. You can practice arigato money, where whenever you spend the money, you pay gratitude for the money which is going out of your life. Okay, and then you can do some money meditations or money rituals, or repeat some money affirmations in your mind. For career, you can set career aspirations, what kind of career you desire. You can intend for that, and also you can think about what is your purpose in your life. Yeah, sit in your meditation and think about what makes you happy, and ask the universe to show you the path of clarity. And also for health, you can set your affirmations for abundance of health, vitality, high energy in your life. You can start practicing some self care routines, start doing some kind of exercise in order to feel that vitality and energy in your body. So do remember that this portal is open till until 21st of December. So set the intentions for health, wealth, relationships, and personal growth, and see that how you start flourishing in each of these fields just by setting the intentions and working on your mindset.